Both of them.
That's not good. Let's see which one they decide to go into. This is July 8th, 2020. I was taking down our swarm traps. I had a couple sitting here on a freezer. I just moved the freezer. I need to move it anyways. But you'll see the video attached to this morning. I set a couple of those nursery pot swarm traps on top till I put them away. I've taken them down out of the trees because it's July. And I come out this morning and there was probably 20, 30 bees messing with them, checking them out. And probably within a half hour we had a full-blown swarm. They moved in. So I didn't want to leave them in there when it's hot at 90, 95 today. And those pots, I'm going to be making some modifications for next year. This was a test run. We're going to do something different next year. We'll have a video on that, but they went in a pot and then they all started coming back out because it was way too warm. I didn't want to take a chance they'd leave. So I went ahead and opened up the pot and I got them in the box here. But probably 4 or 5 pounds of bees. Good healthy swarm. They say swarm in May is worth a load of hay. The swarm in June is worth a silver spoon. The swarm in July, let it fly. The reason being in July, between now and winter, they say that they don't have enough time to build up colony and honey stores for the winter, but we're going to find out. They moved in, so I was not expecting to get any more. I was putting my traps away, but I've got them in a single deep. I'm going to put them out between our soybean fields. The soybean fields will be blooming here in a few weeks, and we'll see what happens. Plus they've got goldenrod this fall and aster. So, but yeah, real nice swarm. We'll see what happens, and give you an update next spring. See all that stuff in the bottom? They're cleaning out. I put a bunch of old comb in there from different hives so they wouldn't have to work so hard. Look, they're cleaning it out already. They're doing what they're supposed to do.